Before proceeding to the step-by-step instructions, please view this important message. Making a bootable USB or DVD for your desired Linux OS can be a daunting task. You have to download the right ISO, choose the right writing tool, select the correct bootable USB or DVD option, wait for it to write, and make sure nothing important gets erased by mistake. If you would rather skip all of that hassle, there is a much easier option. Go to the description of this video and use the link provided to buy a custom-built, ready-to-use bootable USB or DVD for your desired Linux OS. All the trouble of creating the bootable USB or DVD has already been taken care of for you. That means you can start from the part that actually matters: booting your computer and installing your desired Linux OS on your beloved machine. Each bootable USB or DVD is prepared carefully, checked before dispatch, and shipped in tamper-proof packaging for peace of mind. We also ship fast, and every order includes full online tracking information, so you can follow your package from dispatch to delivery. Take a look at our amazing customer feedback and buy with full confidence. Your bootable USB or DVD is ready. Your installation journey can begin without the stress. Order today at the link provided in the description. Thank you. Today, I'll show you how to make a bootable Zorin OS Education USB drive on Windows. Zorin OS Education is the free edition made for schools and students. It includes educational apps and games, plus the familiar Zorin desktop, so a classroom computer can feel approachable from the first boot. Before we start, here's the important warning. Creating the bootable USB will erase the USB drive. If there is anything on that flash drive you want to keep, copy it somewhere safe first. You'll need 3 things: a USB flash drive, the Zorin OS Education ISO file from Zorin.com, and a free Windows app called Rufus. First, open your browser and go to Zorin.com. Choose Download, then select Zorin OS Education. The current download page lists Zorin OS 18.1 Education as a free download. This edition is designed for schools and students, with educational software included out of the box. It also keeps the same beginner-friendly desktop that makes Zorin OS easy for people coming from Windows. When the ISO file is finished downloading, get Rufus from the official Rufus website or the Microsoft Store. Now plug in your USB drive and open Rufus. At the top of Rufus, check the device box. Make absolutely sure it shows the USB drive you want to erase. This is the step worth slowing down for. Under Boot Selection, choose Disk or ISO Image. Then click Select, open your Downloads folder, and choose the Zorin OS Education ISO file. Once Rufus shows the Zorin Education ISO, click Start. If Rufus asks which mode to use, choose the recommended ISO image mode. If it needs to download extra files, click Yes. Then Rufus will warn you that all data on the USB drive will be destroyed. If the USB is empty or backed up, click OK. Now wait while Rufus writes Zorin OS Education to the USB drive. This can take a few minutes. When Rufus reaches 100% and says Ready, your bootable Zorin OS Education USB is done. Close Rufus. Then safely eject the USB drive from Windows using the USB icon in the system tray. Now you can use that USB drive to boot into Zorin OS Education. Try the live desktop first, check that Wi-Fi, sound, keyboard, display, and classroom hardware work, then install when you're ready. One last reminder. If you install Zorin OS Education onto a computer, back up the computer first. Any install option that erases a disk will delete what is already on that drive.